Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, February the 7th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letters Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have here also 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve this evening. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one, the 3 Stars Sudoku, number 7956. 7956. Before I start, I always count printed digits. This one has a lot, 29 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25, so 4 printed digits more. The 3 stars, for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, if it's a puzzle with 29 printed digits, should be a 0 stars puzzle. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see if this is really a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 293. Let me see which number can I pick. Come on. 9. Oh, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. On the last column, there only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 in the third row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. All right. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. How about the 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row? So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. Well, need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about the 4 here? 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this row. So no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in the last column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 5, 5. Okay, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 5. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left of the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 2. All right. How about the number? Let me see. Can I do something with the 6 now? No. 6. Need a 6 here. Still need a 6 there. All right. But the 3 then. 3. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. And I need a 3 here. 3. Need a 3 here. Okay. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And the 4 need the Alright. Need a 6 here. Come on. Need an 8 here. How about the 1? 1. Okay. Need a 1 there. And I need a 3 and a 4. Well, 3 and a 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers the 1 and the 3. We have 1 and a 3 in this column, third column, so no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. Alright. 1, okay. Need a 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 3 boxes here. 4 in the third column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4, okay. 1 in the third column. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And 1 box left in the first column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this column, no 7 and 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need an 8. And I need a 6. Interesting. 8, 6. 8, 6 and the 7. 7. Okay. Need a 7 there. 1, 3, and the 4. Yeah. In the second row, we need a 4. Here can be 4. We have 4 in this big square. No 4 there. So the 4 in the second row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. So the 1 and 3 are left. We have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. 1 box left in this column for number 1. Yeah. Okay. 1 and 8, we have a 1 now in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes in there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 1. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Then 2 numbers left in the middle column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. Oh wait, 7 and 8. We have a 7 now in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so that row the only place left for 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square form is the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square form is the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, told you, cannot be a 3 stars. Not a 2 stars, not a 1 star. We solve it again, Well. Wrong indication. Publisher, yeah. Because it has 29 printed digits. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But this one, 29, should be a 0 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.